Hey guys, and today what we're going to be talking about is the Plackers Stop Grinding Dental Night Protector. Yeah, and that's what this little guy is here. Yeah. Okay, well, I've been told that I grind my teeth at night by my significant other. And I also found out that if you grind your teeth at nighttime while you're sleeping, you could be really doing a lot of damage to your teeth. And I talked to my dentist about it, and he said, yeah, you could be really hurting your teeth if you do it on a regular basis. If you're doing hard enough to hear and wake someone up, then you could be damaging your teeth. So after talking to him and thinking about, the whole situation, I decided to look for something that might, stop that. And so I tried this. This is the Plackers Stop Grinding Dental Night Protector. And what it is a kind of like a little insert that you put on your teeth. This part here, this part right here, you can see that. This is the part that you lay on the back of your teeth, on the very back. You rest this on the top part of your teeth. You see where that rigid part is? You lay that on the back part of your teeth, just let it rest there. And this front part here fits over the front of your teeth on the bottom or the top. You can use this on the top or the bottom of your teeth. And you rest this on the back and put these across the front of your teeth between your front teeth and your bottom lip. And rest your upper teeth down onto these as they're resting on the back of resting on the top of your teeth in the back when it's just resting there. And you just rest your teeth against there and then go to sleep. And it's supposed to stop you from grinding. My wife said that she didn't hear me grinding when I had this in, but when I woke up in the morning, this was not in my mouth anymore. It was actually on the bed. So that was weird. I mean, it's not supposed to come out. Actually, I can totally see why it did come out, because it is not like strapped in there really, and they expect you to just rest your teeth on this, but for some reason I think they think that you're going to keep your mouth closed the whole night. And I don't sleep like that. Not me anyway. My mouth comes open every now and then. I'm not snoring or anything, but I know my teeth are not together, and I think you need your teeth to be together in order to hold this in. So I tried this once, and then I tried it again the next night to see if it was going to make any difference. I tried it. First night I tried it, it was on the bottom teeth. And then the next night I tried it on the upper teeth. And it was the same thing. It came out. So I don't know. It's weird. It bothered me. But when it was in, I think it probably happened somewhere in the middle of the night or whatever. But while it was in, I was told that my wife didn't hear me grinding. So I guess if it stays in, it works. But it just did not stay in. I kept finding it on the bed somewhere. And these are disposable, by the way. It's not meant for you to just use this one and just keep using it. This is just for one day. Yeah, I got this one day pack just to try it. And that was my experience. It just kept falling out. So I don't know. I guess you have to have that certain kind of mouth to have it fit just right, and you have to be in the practice of having your teeth close. I mean, that your teeth are closed all the whole night, but my mouth comes open, so it's gonna fall out, especially if I'm tossing and turning a bit, you know, changing sides and moving my head back and forth and stuff like that. So that was my experience with this. It didn't really work that well for me. Just kept coming out, but oh well. All right, but like when it was in, it did work. So I keep that in mind. If I can figure out a way to keep it in, it probably will work. Okay, well that is the Plackers Stop Grinding Dental Night Protector. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.